Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You saw the title of this video, how to recover your terminated YouTube channel. Do these two things to recover it. Now, if you are one of the viewers in this video now, it means you probably got your YouTube channel terminated or YouTube banned your YouTube channel. Now, in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys on how I restored back my terminated YouTube channel, this particular channel. So now I'm going to explain step by step on how I restored back my channel, and you guys can also do the same thing to get back your terminated YouTube channel. Before that, kindly click on the red subscribe button and turn off the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you get notified. YouTube notify you that Amos also online technique have posted a new video. Okay, so before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Amos Obunia. I'm a blogger and internet hustler. In this channel, Amos Hustle Online Technique, I teach how to get things done in online space and also teach how to earn free money online, whether crypto or real cash. Now, let's dive into the video. Now, if you are one who your channel has been bound, this is what you need to do. I will have to tell you guys a little story of my channel. This particular channel, it was banned at the end of the 2021, which is at least 1 year ago or 2 years ago, and it was banned without no reason. I didn't notice anything that goes wrong on my channel, like spamming or any other or violating YouTube policy. I didn't think that I violated YouTube policy, but one fateful day like that, I got an email showing that my YouTube channel has been terminated, and I was like, what have I done? This YouTube channel that I started growing and now I have been terminated. I felt so bad. That is how it is. You watching this video, find a solution to your terminated YouTube channel. I know how you feel. I felt somehow like that before, understand? But when I did these two things, I got my YouTube channel back, and which I'm gonna show you guys on this video on how you can do it. First of all, please, if you are getting value, subscribe to this YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell, because for more amazing videos like this, or for videos that can also teach you guys on how to get things done in technology space, or earn you guys some free money. Okay, so let's get into the video. I'm gonna show you guys the email I got, the first email I got that my channel has been terminated. Okay, so keep on the watch. So as you can see, this was the email I got that my YouTube channel has been terminated. You can read what is in front of them. So when I got this email, I was very, very sad to receive this email, because I didn't, the video I was creating and putting on my channel didn't goes. I think that it's very clean, and it's not going to go wrong about the this thing policy of the YouTube channel. But unfortunately, I got this thing that my YouTube channel has been banned, and I felt so bad. I have been finding some ways since that year 2021. I've been finding some ways to restore back my YouTube channel. This thing has made me sleepless nights. This YouTube channel, I know how it feels when you grow your YouTube channel. Now you can see I'm in 391 subscribers. So that was the subscriber I am that time. So that's why I was struggling back to restore back my YouTube channel until this very day, this very year, 2023. Check it, 2021, 2022 has passed away. I didn't get anything, and my YouTube channel was still being banned or terminated. So this 2023, I have found a solution, two solutions that helped me get back my YouTube channel, and I'm going to share with you guys, which you guys already know, and what that is what you should be doing. You know, the first one is appeal. Okay, YouTube always tell us to appeal if you know that your video or what you are doing is not against this thing. If you feel like it's not against the policy, you should appeal. So first of all, you have to appeal through the link sent on this email that you are seeing on the screen now. You should appeal, because once you appeal, it will make them to look into the channel and see if there is anything wrong or not. Because sometimes YouTube feels somehow that your channel is being going as in you are violating their policy. Okay, that's what they think sometimes, but sometimes they are not thinking right. So you have to send them appeal. They will check over your this thing. Then if there is no violating of their policy, then they will release your account. Okay. Another powerful tool is the one I'm going to show you now. Going to Twitter at Team YouTube. Okay, let me go to Twitter now. I'm gonna show you guys something now. So guys, I am on my Twitter account now to show you guys how I tweeted YouTube. Then they helped me retrieve my account. So on this issue now, this is the second tool you will use in getting your YouTube channel back, your terminated YouTube channel. This is the second tool you will use in getting it back. Okay, if the first one didn't work, this one will work. Okay, this one is also a strong tool to use to get your terminated channel back. This YouTube Twitter. Okay, this is what you do. You can see on my this thing, I tweeted Twitter on their at Team YouTube. Okay, then once I tweeted them, they helped me got my account back. I will tweeted them, then they sent me a message on this Twitter. I will show you the message they sent to me. Let me show you guys the message they sent to me. Okay, so here is the message they sent to me here. See, here is the message. The first message I saw was this. They said, "Can I share your YouTube channel URL and where we see we can find out?" You understand? This is what they told me to do. Then I shared this thing. You can see it over here. I shared the URL to them. So they supervised it. Then later sent me a second message here. They replied. They told me to first step is to fill out an appeal, which I have already told you guys. The appeal is the first thing you need to do. I will also show you guys how to fill the appeal form. Okay, and check in the description below. You will see a link that will lead you where to appeal. Okay, I will also give you guys understand some lessons on how to fill the appeal form. Okay, so make sure you stick to this video to the very end. Okay, so keep on watching. So after they told me this, I went on and apply again. I appeal again. Understand? After appealing, then they sent me this thing. When after appealing, the next morning, my account has already been on YouTube, as in has already been back. Okay, understand? It was not terminated again. I got a message sent on my email, my same YouTube channel email. I'm gonna also show you guys the email I got. Okay, so this was the message the team YouTube replied to me. You can see it over here. It says it seems like your channel has been restrained. Let us know if you are seeing otherwise. Understand? The time they send this message, my channel has already been released. You understand? So I'm gonna show you guys the message they sent me on my email. Okay, so let me go to my email now and show you guys. So now I am on my email now. I'm gonna also show you guys the email I received. You can see it over here. Just on April 21, you can see it over here. I received this email. Let me open it in front of you guys. So I was shocked and I was very happy to see that my YouTube channel, after almost 2 years, they terminated it, and this day I got it back. I was very happy. Okay, so here is the message I got from YouTube. Hi, Amos Ozo Online Technique. We've reviewed your appeal for the following channel, Amos Ozo Online Technique. After taking another look, we can confirm that your channel does not violate our community guidelines. Thanks for your patience while we review this appeal. Our goal is to make sure that content doesn't violate our community guidelines so that YouTube can be safer place for all. And sometimes we make mistakes trying to get it right. We are sorry for any frustration that our mistake may have cost you, and we appreciate you letting us know how this affected your channel. That's blah 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 they wrote on this message, and I was very happy. So with these steps I showed you guys, step one, you have to appeal. Okay, maybe if you appeal on the first, they might release your channel. But if you appeal and they still not release your channel, then you go to Twitter, type at team YouTube, then write all those things you saw I write. I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm also going to show you guys how to fill some form. Okay, make sure you stick to this very watch this video to the very end. Okay, and also don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button if you're getting a value on this video. Smash the like button, because this thing I'm giving you now is nowhere to be found now. Okay, although you can see it on some channels, but I'm not sure they're gonna give you the real details. Okay, but I'm giving you guys the real details now. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell, because in this channel I've already explained what I do in this channel. I teach you people how to get some things, technology stuff, understands. I also teach how to earn money free, understand, and a lot more. So it's better you smash the like button also, and also turn on the notification bell, click the red subscribe button. Okay, so do that for your boy, understand. So I'm gonna also show you guys how to appeal. Okay, so make sure you stick to this very end, to the very end. Okay, so let me go back to my tweet and show you guys what I meant, as in how you can tweet on your Twitter so that the team YouTube can respond to you and they can talk to you. You can interact with them, then later your channel, I believe, will be restored. Okay, so don't be annoyed, don't fear, have faith, your channel will be restored. Okay, so let's go to my Twitter now. So now I'm my Twitter now. I'm going to check my account now. So going to my account, so this is my tweet now. It's coming. Please click on the red subscribe button, smash the like button. So here is it now. You can see, I'm not saying it's a must that you can write it as I have already written my own. Just explain things to YouTube here. Explain some things, like you can see I said I think my YouTube channel was terminated due to unknowingly mistakes of violation. So that's what I wrote, and you can see the second place, my channel is about teaching how to. Just explain what your channel is about, and write what you think that's made YouTube terminate your account. Okay, just write anything and please beg them there, just please with them that those things you will not repeat again. Okay, so now I'm gonna also show you guys how to appeal. Okay, let me show you guys how to appeal, and know that I said that the link of this appeal will be on my description in case if you want to appeal for your old YouTube this thing terminated account. And also, while on this tweet, I forgot to tell you something. While tweeting on Twitter, they'll ask you to also input your old YouTube terminated account, which is that your terminated account. Copy the URL of the YouTube channel and paste on this thing. As you can see on my own, I pasted my YouTube terminated account URL here. So in case you don't know how to do it, I will also post a video on this channel on how to get your URL after your YouTube channel is already terminated. Okay, if you don't know how to get it, I will also do a video on that. Okay, but in case you have your URL, you can just input it here. Okay, so let me show you guys how to appeal now. So here is how to appeal now. I'm gonna show you some things. I'm on the page now, YouTube help page. You can see channel or account termination. You can read across these things. I will put this link, the link of this page on my description. Check the description, okay? You can see it there. So here is where you see the link. Look at it. If you believe that your channel account was mistakenly terminated, you can appeal using, you click on here that is written this form. Click on the place. Once you click on it, then you wait, it will load. Okay, after that, make sure here, look at here, make sure you are using your terminated YouTube channel email to fill this form. Okay, make sure you are using it, because if you use it, it's gonna be easy. This is what I meant here. Look at where I'm showing you over here. So click on that place. Once you click on it, then choose the Google account. Okay, choose any of the email here, click on it. Once you click on it, then it will open, and show you this particular page that you are now. Fill in your name, the name of the channel, the name you answer on the YouTube channel, fill it here. Then the email of the channel, okay, put the email here over here. After you imputed it, then you can also use the same email as here. They said email address we can use to contact you. You can also use other emails. The email you are putting here is for them to contact you that your account has been released, or they will tell you they cannot release your account. Understand? So that's the email you put here, just to receive an information that your account has been released or not. Okay, so the other option over here is to scroll up and also put the link of the suspected YouTube channel here. Put it here. After that, then you scroll up, then you explain. Okay, just write brief explain why you think your channel was suspended and an error. Okay, you can also, let me give you a tip. I'm not going to type it, just you can just say, hi YouTube, I think my channel was terminated because I was posting spam or scam or hash words and all this blah blah blah. You can, after saying that, you can beg them, please, it won't happen again. This YouTube has been already it has taken me so long to grow this YouTube channel account. Please release it for me, it will not happen again. Just try to beg them. Understand? After trying to beg them, then they will, after you've written all those things, then you click on submit. After clicking submit, they receive it. 2 to 3 days, they will send you email as you have seen here. They will send you this thing as you have seen here, that your account has been restored, and you will be happy. Okay, so I hope you guys got value on this video. If you got value on this video, don't mind the bad poor what will I say, don't mind the kind of phone or whatever that I used to make this video. The message there is clear on how you can restore your YouTube channel account. Follow this step and you thank me later. Your YouTube channel will be restored back. Okay, so hope you got value. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and also turn off the notification bell if you are one who is interested in knowing how to get things done in technology space. Okay, there are many updates I've been posting on this channel, and also teaching you guys how to earn free money. Okay, so I'm gonna also teach you many things on this channel. So don't forget, the link of the appeal will be on the link on the description. Okay, check it there, you see it there. Even if you don't see it there, make sure to browse it online to get it. If you browse it online, YouTube appeal form, you will see the link on your Chrome browser. Okay, if you didn't see it on the description. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna stop here. Thank you for watching, and also don't forget, please subscribe if I give you value. Know that your boy Amos loves you. See you on my next video. Bye.